Actually, yung character ni Ronan, isa siya sa mga dream roles na gusto ko talagang ganapan dati pa. Si Ronan, siya isang actually hindi ko siya pwede masyado sabihin dahil baka ma-spoil yung movie. But si Ronan isa siyang, parang sweetom siya eh. Napaka-lovable person ni Ronan. Anak mayaman. And challenging part for, actually, yung character ni Ronan, isa siya sa mga dream roles na gusto ko talagang ganapan dati pa. Tapos, yun, nabigay sa akin yung project na to. Although, I had some hesitations accepting the project dahil nga, ayoko mabigo kay Direk na baka hindi ko ma-portray yung character. Kasi nga, challenging siya. So, ayun, I think just the fact na accepting the role, I think yun na yung biggest challenge ko for that. Well, first of all, yung storyline ng movie na to napakaganda. Napakaraming pasabog ng sa movie, ano siya eh. Hindi ko pa napapanood yung buong movie pero sa trailer pa lang, syempre hindi ako pagiging biased, no? Pero sa trailer pa lang, sobrang maano ka na eh. May intrigue ka na sa kwento na parang gusto mo na siya mapanood. Actually, ako gusto ko na siya mapanood next Friday na pala. Ayun, sobrang excited lang ako. This is one of the few projects na I'm really proud of, na I could say na I'm part of the movie. And sana matalo namin yung mga nag-number 1. Hopefully, kung base naman talaga sa story at sa napakaganda talaga, napakahusay rin ng mga kasama ko dito. And napakagaling rin naman kasi yung Direk GB. So, kaya namin mag-number 1. Actually, yung pinakauna kong ginawa was yung X-Deal 2 eh. Actually, hindi ko sa kanya sinabi muna kasi alam ko na yung sasabihin niya. So, sinabi ko na lang sa kanya yun after namin shoot na yung movie. And then, hindi naman siya nagalit. It was more on parang wala, alam naman niya na matanda na ako, I know what I'm doing with my career. And sinabi ko naman sa kanya na it's something na I'm really open to and I'm willing to try. Kasi nga, wala eh, parang gusto kong ma-experience yung lahat ng pagiging artista. So for me to do that, syempre, kailangan ko ma-experience to. Mm-hmm. So in terms naman kay Viva, nung in-offer nila sa akin yung Viva Max na to do sexy.
Yes.
I was hesitant at first kasi nga syempre kinakabahan ako, parang ready
na
ba ako? Yeah, puro pa-cute lang ako dati, patawa, diba? So it's a new environment for me. It's a different style of acting also. So syempre I had to think about it muna kung magagawa ko ba, kung kaya ko ba. Mm-hmm. So far naman, nag-enjoy naman ako and masaya naman siya. It's challenging and fun at the same time.
Alright. Are you done with school? Finish ka na?
Yes. Pero I never got to finish college kasi nung pumasok po ako ng PBB, I was incoming 4th year high school.
Yes.
Tapos pagkalabas ko ng PBB, 16 yata ako. Tapos, ayun, I finished high school. Tapos, pagka-graduate ko ng high school, I stopped for 4 or 5 years. Tapos, I decided to go back to college dahil there was a time na in my career na parang nag-plateau. So, I had to think of my future. So, parang I wanted to do yung second, dream job ko, which was being a flight attendant. Requirement noon was at least 2 years in college. So, yun yung that led me back to school. So nag 2 years ako in college, and then after nun, lumipat ako kay Viva, and then wala. Yung career ko bumalik. Tapos wala na. Hindi na ako nag-FA.
You never ventured into music. Di ba ang dad mo was into music?
Yeah, musician yung dad ko. Pero for me and my brother, wala na nakuha sa amin ng ano ng passion for music. Yeah. No naman, they're not. But wala, siguro tanggap rin naman nila kasi alam naman nila since both of them are also in the industry. So they know naman na, it's part of my job rin to do this. And I told them naman talaga it's not just a sexy film or anything. Yun nga, like what Direk said, it's an art, diba? It's still considered as acting and an art. So, ayun, they're okay with it naman. But, syempre, sinasabi ko sa kanila, huwag nila panoorin. I'm really happy and really blessed to where I am now. And siguro, it's a rough road for me para makarating dito. But I think, God wouldn't put us in different paths naman. Alam niyang hindi ko kakayanin. So I believe talaga na He put me in that path before to be where I am now, to make me the strongest person I am. Okay. And ayun, so far naman, I'm just really happy and blessed to be experiencing and where I am now. Actually, ako rin nagulat ako dun, no? Hirap. Hindi naman siguro sa open. Hindi ko ba talaga masyadong naisip yun, no? But, kasi yung sa eksena lang naman namin yun, nadaya naman kasi yun eh. Pero, pag-usapang if kaya ko bang may pag-make love sa isang lalaki, yun siguro kailangan ko talaga pag-isipan na mabuti yun kung worth it ba. I mean, kung ano yung magiging effect niya sa career ko. Kasi syempre hindi naman pwedeng dapat tanggap lang ako ng tanggap. Kailangan isipin ko rin yung epekto niya sa career ko and sa akin, sa pagkatao ko. Kasi after rin yun, yung mga effect nung scenes na yun, ang daming nagulat, especially mga friends ko, syempre hindi ko sinabi sa kanila para hindi ma-spoil. Ang dami nag-message sa akin. And then, syempre, I got a lot of messages from mga LGBTQ na, yun nga, umihingi sa akin bigla ng mga fantasies nila. Madami nag-message, mga indecent proposals din, if willing ba ako gawin yun sa totoong buhay. Mga gano'n.